like a river over you and take it back. That which was is always I transmute and move and move. Dear wildfire, show me how to feel new again. Burn the light and hold me like you'll never let me go. And don't think twice, I am not accustomed to the ways of playing nice. Maybe you could show me how to sway and move and move and I am eager like a bird, yet unsure, like a tower soon to fall, like bright white fire turned to coal after all. And the message in the bottle is a model of my place in the room, in the stars, in the halls. Eager like a bird, yet unsure, like a tower soon to fall, like bright white fire turned to coal after all. And the message in the bottle is the model of my place in the room, in the stars, in the halls. Eager like a bird, yet unsure, like a tower soon to fall, like bright white fire turned to coal after all. And the message in the bottle is the model of my place in the room, in the stars, in the halls. Eager like a bird, yet unsure, like a tower soon to fall, like bright white fire turned to coal after all. And the message in the bottle is a model of my place in the room, in the stars, in the halls. Thank you for listening and for being here, and I appreciate you. And thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my music. Even just the 5-minute long video that this is, it really makes me feel really grateful that you've taken the time to do that. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and that, I don't know, I'm curious what other people's interpretations are of my music. Like, that song was written a while ago by me, and it has a very like specific kind of like abstract meaning to me, but I know that it may come across completely different to you. So I don't know, that's just something that I'm wondering about. Yeah, thank you so much for being here and taking the time to be here again, as I said. And if you liked this video and you're not subscribed already, you know, subscribe, and we can be friends on Instagram too. I'll put the link for that, or my handle, I guess, in the comments, or the by. I don't even know what anything is called on social media, to be honest, or YouTube. I'm just like, put the thing in the thing, but you know, I'm babbling, but that's okay. Sending you lots of love, and thank you for being here.